How to reset Snapchat Spotlight feed. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss about resetting what you see on your Snapchat Spotlight feed. And here's what you can do. First of all, go ahead and reset suggested content if you have this option. And to find it, you can open Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and under privacy control, you will see the option. Just go ahead and tap on reset suggested content, and this will reset the discover and spotlight recommendation that you see. Another thing you can do is you can try clearing the app data. For that, simply scroll all the way down and select clear cache. If you see any clear data option, go ahead and tap on that and clear all the data of your Snapchat. Then you have to re-log into your Snapchat account. Another thing you can do is you can tap and hold on to the Snapchat application, or you can go to apps, then go to its app info. From here, scroll down and then tap on storage, then click on clear cache and tap on clear data. So basically, Spotlight learns from what you watch and interact with. To improve your feed, you can watch more of your content, more of the content that you enjoy. Skip the content that you do not like, or tap and hold and select not interested, or hide renovation, or hide the story recommendation or suggestion, and favorite and follow the content that you want to see the more of. And if you don't see a full reset button, that's okay. It's not available in all countries. So changing your viewing habits will have the same effect over time. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.